How to use Requisition. Open the MySkool app and go to the Requisition section. Click on Requisition. Select Add Requisition. Fill in the required fields with the necessary details. Click Save to submit the requisition. Now, open the Admin dashboard. Click on Inventory. Select Requisition. Click on the Pending tab. Here, you will find the requests submitted by teachers. You can approve, reject, delete the request. Click on Add Quotation. Then, click on Quotation and fill in the required fields. Click Save. Approve the quotation and add quotation notes. Then save it. Click on Approved, enter the quantity and approval notes, then confirm approval. Now, go to the Approved section and select the approved request. Click on Purchase Order and print the order. The teacher can now check their MySkool app under the Requisition Approved section to see if their request has been approved or canceled. Thank you for watching this video.